Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to lock a profile on Peacock TV. To lock a profile on Peacock TV is a straightforward process, so here is how you can do it. First of all, open up a web browser that you are trying to use. In the URL box, type in peacocktv.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Peacock TV, where you can sign in using your login credentials. After you are logged into the main homepage of Peacock, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top right hand corner and select the profile you are trying to edit or lock. Click on the pencil icon right underneath your profile name, and under Edit Your Profile, scroll down and toggle on the button right next to Profile Pin. Now you'll need to enter your account's password and click on Confirm in order to set up PIN for your profile. On the next page, create a PIN that you'd like to set for your profile. Confirm your PIN by re-entering it again in the next field and click on Save PIN. Soon after you do that, you will be able to lock your profile with PIN. Now every time you try to go to your profile, you will need to enter the PIN code that you just created, and this will be able to unlock your profile easily. So that is how you easily lock your profile on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.